If you are running Facebook ads and you are not seeing results, one of the major reasons could be because you didn't tell Facebook what your conversion means. It means that you have not set up your pixel properly. So today I'm going to show you how to know if you have set up your pixel properly. Let's get started. So if you want to know that you have set up your Facebook tracking properly, the first thing you want to do is to go to your desktop, all right, and then you install what we call the pixel helper. So if you search for Meta pixel helper, all right, so you're going to see is a Chrome extension, all right. So click on it, and then once you click here, you will see add to Chrome. Now, because I have already installed it, that is why you are seeing this here as remove from Chrome. But I have already added it to Chrome, so your own will be add to Chrome. So once you install it, all right, it's going to show here. Okay, so you can come and pin it here. So if you come to this particular point where you see these extensions, all right, you can just scroll down and then you just pin it. Just click on pin. So you can see a Meta pixel helper. I've already pinned it, so I can unpin it, but I've pinned it right now. So once you pin it, it's going to show here, all right, so that you can have easy access to the extension. Now, once you've installed Pixel on your website, all right, once you've installed Pixel on your website, what you want to do before you run your ad, especially if you are running advert that has to do with conversion. So for example, what we mean by conversion, it depends on you, but conversion could be lead. Maybe you want to get more people to give you their emails or phone numbers. Those are leads, all right. Conversion could be maybe they want to join your newsletter. That is also a conversion for some people. And for some people, their conversion is sales. For example, if they have made money, right, so it could be sales. So if you want to run this type of ads on Meta or on Facebook, you need to set up your conversion tracking, and the Facebook pixel is what helps you to do that. So you come to this here. So if you come to a website like this, all right, if you want to know that a pixel is installed on the website, once you have that pixel helper installed, click on it, and you see that here it says that I have pixel installed on this website. In fact, immediately you load up the page, you will see the pixel. It will show like 1 here or something like that. Now imagine, let me click on this another page. So you see it also say 1. If I click on another page, right, so if I click on, say for example, the shop page of my website, all right, you see that the pixel is also installed. If you drag it up, you'll see what pixel is installed. Now the pixel that is installed here is page view, and if you click here, you'll be able to see the call URL and different things that you need to know about the pixel. Now these are things that people are going to see, all right, so it is good that you have your pixel helper to be able to know that your ad is set up. Now let me go to one of our clients. Their website is called The Great. So by the way, The Great Profit Systems offers trading, free video training. So if you come to this website, greatfti.com, and you see they have a limited offer, all right, you can see that they have 3 pixel here. Okay, so we have leads, we have page view, and we have view cart. Can you see? So they have 3 pixel. If you click on this now, all right, and you sign up, okay, it's going to show another pixel. All right, it's going to show another pixel. So that is why it is important that you have your pixel. See, I've heard some people that tell me that they are running advert, they are not getting results. That is because they have not installed their pixel properly. Maybe in another video I can create a video on how you can install the Facebook pixel, all right, on your website. Okay, so but it's very important that you have this pixel installed. If you don't have it installed, you're not going to get result with your advert, especially if you want to run advert that has to do with conversion. Even if you want to run traffic ad, I highly recommend that you have Pixel installed. The reason is this: as you keep driving traffic to your website is going to be collecting data over and over again, so that in the nearest future, let's say you want to sell something or you want to just retarget this your audience, you can easily do that because you already have Pixel installed. If you don't have Pixel installed, it's just a waste of time. Now let's look at some website that might not have Pixel. So let's say we go to Soratios.com. Right now, this is a website we built for one of our businesses. All right. At the moment, you can see that the website does not have a Pixel. Say no Pixel found on Soratios.com. Now, the easy thing is, if I want to start running adverts to this website, I need to install Pixel. All right. It is this Pixel that is going to help the website with conversion. So it's not just about even, installing the Pixel. Make sure that your pixels are properly set up. All right, like I said, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that you can go and watch about installing Pixel, but maybe in the nearest future I'm going to create one, especially if I have enough comments demanding that I create it. So I might create it if I have enough people to say create it. So make sure you have Pixel installed and make sure that it is set up properly. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it.